Today, we're diving into the world of Trex decking and the variety of colors it offers to transform your backyard into a stunning outdoor living space. Whether you're renovating or building from scratch, choosing the right color for your deck is crucial in achieving the perfect ambiance. Let's explore the options and find the best fit for your home. Trex decking is known for its durability, low maintenance, and eco-friendly materials. But did you know it also comes in a wide range of colors? From warm earth tones to cool grays and deep charcoals, there's a color for every aesthetic. Let's start with the warm tones. These include shades like Tiki Torch, a rich caramel brown, and Spiced Rum, a warm umber. Warm tones are perfect for creating a cozy, inviting space that blends seamlessly with natural surroundings. If you prefer a more modern look, cool tones like Island Mist, a serene gray with hints of blue and gravel path, a light gray might be more your style. These colors reflect sunlight, keeping your deck cooler in the summer months. For those who love a bold, dramatic look, deep colors like Lava Rock, a rich reddish black, make a strong statement. These colors are ideal for creating contrast, especially in areas with lush greenery. When choosing a color, consider the architectural style of your home, the landscape, and the amount of sunlight your deck will receive. Lighter colors tend to show less dirt and fade more gradually, while darker colors absorb more heat. It's also worth noting that Trex offers multi-chromatic colors, which mimic the natural variegation of real wood. This adds depth and character to your deck, making each board unique. Trex decking offers a wide range of colors to suit any style and preference. From warm earth tones to cool grays and deep charcoals, there's a perfect color to enhance your backyard. Consider your home's architecture, landscape, and the practical aspects of color choice to make an informed decision. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the colorful world of Trex decking. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect color for your outdoor space. Until next time, happy decking!